Wonder what the hell I'm doing, aren't you?
Yeah.
You know I would like to try and entertain you while I'm here.
Yeah.
Right, okay. You can say hello to that camera there.
Hello.
Let me just position that. I think that looks a little bit at an angle. Let's just put
We
that.
look as though we're going to get entertained.
Right.
Think.
What I'm going to do today is I'm staying at my mum and dad's again, and been coming here every weekend for a little while. So while I'm here, I just thought I'm pretty much camping at mum and dad's. So I thought, well, while I'm here, I'm going to test out this little camping stove because I'm not going to get out anytime soon into the woods to test it.
Just can't get the lid off.
I just can't get the lid off. So I thought I'll test out, I'll make a cup of coffee on this little camping stove that I bought from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And what you do, let me just move some of these out of the way to make it easier to
Just
see.
burn my table.
I'm not going to burn your table. So it's a nice little piece of kit. All you do is you pull the legs out, drop the legs out like that, then open up the top pieces, which the legs are attached to. There it is. And then it just stands. How neat is that?
Very neat.
And this particular stove comes with a standard fat gas bottle. I don't know what they're called actually, but it comes with a standard fat gas bottle attachment, but also one to fit these canisters, which is handy.
Oh, very handy.
Very handy. So you screw that on, then pop this into here, turn it, and that's it. That's locked into place. So we'll just pop this behind the camera, and then so we've got coffee, milk, water, spoon. We just need something to make coffee with, so I thought I'll do it in my camping, my titanium. You can see I've actually used this. I'll put a few links for where I've used this in the video. This is the Best Argo titanium French press. That's supposed to come off. It's some what are you laughing at? It's some Kelly Kettle hot lips. So we'll take them out for now. Hot lip. It's to stop you burning yourself. So I'm just debating whether to actually make it in here, or to boil the water in there, or to boil the water. Might as well. Saves washing up, doesn't it? So,
Yes.
saves washing up. So that's actually, it doesn't stand on there quite so well. So I do actually have something that I can use. I think I brought it with me. Let me just check my bag.
It's a crap program, isn't it?
I'm back. Now something that actually makes quite a good pan stand on a smaller grill plate is, I don't know whether you recognise what this is. Do you know what it is, Mum?
Oh, it's a little stand.
It actually looks like that. It's actually it's a computer fan cover.
Oh, what?
It goes on a computer. There's a big fan on it, an air vent and stuff, and these are the vents that sit on the top of those. But they make nice little grill or pan stands when the base is too small. You can just pop that on there. Look at that. Jobs are good. And how good's that?
Just the job.
Just the job.
If you don't catch the things on the end.
Well, hopefully we won't. So I'm going to turn the gas on. You'll smell it.
Oh.
I think that's lit. No,
It is now.
it is now. Can you see that?
Yeah. Just
Put some water in there. To make some coffee. And we'll see how long this takes to boil. So there is measurements in this cup, and I've put in about 400ml. Turn the gas up a little bit, and we'll just wait for that to boil. Lovely! It's nice, isn't it, when you can camp at home?
Practice camping.
Practice camping, yeah. Well, actually, I'm just testing this out, which is quite a good way to do it. I've been testing out all the different airbeds while I've been here too.
Yeah.
You've got the sun a bit in your eyes there, haven't you?
So in that curtain behind you.
Is it this one? If I just pull this across. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, it's better.
Ah, can you see?
I can see now.
Good. A watched cup of water.
I watched kettle never boils.
Yes.
So does a cup.
And neither does a watched cup of water, it seems.
Those handles will get hot because they're metal.
Yeah, that's the only snag with this. It doesn't come with sort of like a silicone handle, but it's not too bad. I think it, if you kind of stand it a little bit further away from the heat, it shouldn't be too.
You could always wrap something around those.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
your fingers burn it.
I could even put these Kelly kettle lips around them. They might even work as a little. I've never done this before. This could end up going. Oh, actually, that works quite well. So another use for some Kelly kettle lips. Nice.
Ow.
What?
A bit later on. Ow.
Ow, 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 ow. Starting to bubble at the bottom. I should have timed this.
Your bottom often
Oi.
bubbles.
You're on camera, Mum. You can't take her anywhere. I really just. Sorry. She's just dreadful.
I'll make you laugh. What more do you want?
Make me laugh. You mortify me. There's a difference. So what does my bottom do, Mum?
Bubbles.
What a charmer. Ladies and gentlemen, mother dearest.
Cheers.
I don't know why you're cheering out the window. The camera's there and there. It's there. Oh, don't start crying again. You started crying on the last one. With laughter, that was. That was funny, man.
What?
When I did that stove outside here, and trying to light it with some damp matches that Dad gave me. Yeah, that was the kind of thing. Except for I came inside and you were literally rubbing your eyes, crying with laughter. You were very literally wetting yourself. Not in the bladder sense, but in the eye, in the tears.
Eye-watering.
Yeah, in the eyes watering sense.
You've always made my eyes water since the day you were born.
Well, giving birth does tend to make your eyes water. Doesn't it? Is that what you're repeating?
Yes.
Actually, these handles aren't too bad. And this water is just about to boil. It's not far off boiling.
No, I can see it.
Yeah,
Every now and again, little bubbles coming up.
yeah, little bits of steam and stuff.
Is your dad coming?
I think I can hear him shuffling.
Oh, it will be your dad then if
Yeah.
it's a shuffle.
Yeah. Because he might just want to give him a bit of room so he doesn't knock this. You alright there, Pops?
I can hear him moan.
No, that's alright. Just take it steady when you come through here because I'm just filming a stove test. So I'm just boiling.
As I thought I was going to be.
You what, sorry?
I'm not as good as I thought I was going to be.
In what respect?
Pardon?
In what respect?
Can't hear what you're saying.
Have you got your deaf aid in?
Eh?
Yeah.
Have you got your deaf aid in?
Not yet, I'm shaving.
Oh, right,
You're
okay.
talking away from me. No, I'm just not as good as I thought I was going to be. I felt good when I was in bed and what have you.
Right.
But getting up and moving around.
Made you feel a bit crappy?
Yeah.
Let's go back then.
You wouldn't hear as I was shaving. Ah, it's taking too long, hasn't it?
Oh no, steam coming up.
Mm. Ooh. Don't shake the canister. Oh, of course it'll affect the flow, won't it?
Aye.
It's quite innocent.
I hope you don't do any other innocent things.
On occasion, it's been known.
You work. Perhaps we should have been outside for this demonstration. Not indoors.
Not indoors. So, right, so it's quite a strange name, this one. Push now. So, I don't know whether you can actually read this on there, but it's the Awrout camping gas stove. So in other words, it's like somebody's tried to spell outdoor camping gas stove.
Oh yeah.
Weird, isn't it? I'll put it up on the screen so you can see it yourself. But yeah, it's a bit strange. We're on the bubble.
It's all a bit strange.
All a bit strange. So this is now boiling away. So I'm going to turn the gas off. That's warm but manageable.
Ooh. You got something on your fingers.
So that's quite good. I just pop that up if we don't need that. Marvellous. Because it was boiling, I'm going to add milk first because you're not supposed to make coffee with boiling water. You scorch it.
Oh.
1, 2,
Oh, heck.
3, 4.
How many are you doing?
Oh, we like good coffee. Well, it's not the same. It's not like Nescafe, Mum, where one spoon. Right, and then put the French press aspect in.
It doesn't buy decent coffee.
Yeah, Nescafe isn't considered decent by any stretch of the imagination.
Is it in my estimation?
And seeing as we're camping, I'm going to use. Look at this. It's like one of those Russian dollies. Let's actually keep that one.
It's a cute little bag.
It is, isn't it? So we'll take that one out.
Oh, it's a cute little bag. Is there another one? Is that that?
So we use that mug for the coffee. Put me Kelly Kettle hot lips on there to stop you burning, because these get hot, you know, to stop you burning your lips. That's a good idea.
Where do they come from?
Oh, yeah, I ordered them
Ah,
from Ireland, as it happens.
is it from Ireland?
Forgive the Irish accent, that was dreadful. Wasn't even that good. Yeah, they're just good, they're just silicone, they just sit on top of the edge like.
Yeah. Oh, good. That's good.
Just stop, yeah, as I say, just to
burning.
stop you burning your lips, because well, it actually just makes it drinkable. It's not I've never burnt my lips on these, but it has been like, ooh, that's hot,
Yeah.
you know. And it just means you can actually drink it while it's hot, rather than having to wait for it to cool down. But no, this has worked. This little stove's worked quite well.
Yeah.
And I do like this little idea. The fact, because these are so cheap. If you
Mm.
buy actual grill covers, they cost a fortune.
Ah.
So you just buy,
So you've got a separate one.
it's just a fan
Oh, it's a fan.
cover, computer
Oh.
fan cover.
Mm.
And you can pick them up something like, I think I bought about 4 of them for £5, and it'll just sit on various different types of stove
Mm.
and just acts as a pan stand, or you can use it to grill stuff on.
Yeah. Handy.
Very handy. I've got to admit that this is one of my favourite things that I bought for camping, a proper coffee maker. Proper camping coffee. Lightweight. You stay on there, little rascal. I didn't say that. Going down.
Boom.
It's not one of those bum plungers. Bomb plungers. Bum plunger. Oh, can you imagine having a bum plunger?
Yes.
Well, have you had your bum plunged?
No, I've got you.
No idea what she's talking about. I might need a little bit longer to percolate. So we'll just hurry that up a little bit. Just give it room to breathe. And again, it might be all right.
I might burn you.
Got my lips. It's nice and hot, isn't it? Nice. Look at your face.
You burn yourself.
No?
You always did, Phil.
Yeah, I didn't burn myself. Yeah, just a little bit longer. Anyway, so that's this little outdoor, I'll put the name up again, stove. And as I say, it works with these. It works with the fat canisters, the fatter ones like the Primus ones and so on, camping gas. And yeah, does all right. Thanks for watching. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there's heavy breather coming.
Yeah.